grade 3. This is Mr. Jeremy here to explain your assignment for today. This assignment is a little different. So today is April 8th, and this is a pre-assessment for the English video lesson tomorrow, which is April 9th. So by pre-assessment, I mean you are going to prepare for our lesson. You can start early so you know how to write, how to answer the questions. Also, if you have time to send me your work, it will show me what you already know. So we will learn new things tomorrow, but maybe you already know them or you have an idea about them. So today you will show me how to write yes or no questions and yes or no answers about actions that can happen from the past until now. So remember, we learned the black words are who words and the red words are verb 1. So whenever we use the verb has or have, we say he has, she has, it has, I have, you have, we have, and they have. We never say, for example, I has. We never say, for example, he have. So that's important to know when we write questions and answers about the past, different times in the past until now. So remember, we learned that whenever you write a question or sentence about the past until now, you use either has or have with verb 3. So we say he has eaten. For example, we don't say he has eats. That's verb 1, eat. We don't say he has ate. Verb 2, we say he has eaten, verb 3. So here are other examples of verb 3. She has done. So we say do, verb 1, did, verb 2, done, verb 3. It has mopped. Okay, mopped is actually the same verb 2 and verb 3. So it has a star next to it. So for some actions, verb 2 and verb 3 in English are the same. For other verbs, verb 2 and verb 3 are different. So here are a list of actions. And we have a list of verb 1, a list of verb 2, and a list of verb 3. So we know verb 1 is anytime, verb 2 is the past, and verb 3 is past until now. Here's another list. So if we look at this timeline, we know we're talking about different times in the past until now. In the picture, we see two people, Bill and Pam, so we can call them they. The action is wash the dishes, and we see a green tick mark. So when we write the question, we can say have they, okay, because we put have and they together always. Have they washed the dishes today? And our answer to that is yes, because we see the green tick mark at 6 and at 8. So we can say yes, they have washed the dishes, or we can say yes, Pam and Bill have washed the dishes. So by they, we're talking about two people. And I should say by they, we can talk about more than one. So it could be even 3 people or 4 people. Here's another example. So we have a different action, and this time we have one person. And this sentence is also, or I should say the timeline is also showing us different times in the past until now and now. So we can say, has Brett mopped the floor? So in this question we say has because Brett is one person, he. And we're talking about him. We're not talking to him. Has Brett mopped the floor? We will answer yes because we see a green tick mark. Yes, Brett has mopped the floor. All right. So for number 1, you'll do the same thing. You'll write a question about the pictures, look at the timeline, and look at the people and the action. But there is something different about the picture. Do you see the red X next to wash the dishes? What does the red X mean? It means no. Okay? So I want you to try to answer a question from the past until now with no. Here's another example. So we have picture, and you'll answer the question with no because you see a red X next to the action. All right, and here's another picture, but this time I see green tick marks. So what does that mean? There's one thing different about this picture. Now we're talking about you. All right, so we'll say if you put this word you in the question, how do you answer that question? If you put this word you in the question, how do you answer the question for this picture? All right, and then finally, how do you answer the question if the answer is no for this picture? Okay, and notice again, this is you. So we're asking a question about you. Thank you, grade 3. This is just some practice before the lesson tomorrow to help prepare you, and we will learn how to do everything we talked about. Bye.